What is anti-aging dentistry? Well, anti-aging dentistry is going beyond the smile. We all want a beautiful smile, and a lot of cosmetic dentists are trained to do that. But what we do in our office, we go beyond that smile. We're looking at facial support, we're looking at jaw position, neck position. So if you think about when people prematurely age, a lot of times it's because they've ground down their teeth or they've had a lot of dental work over the years, and literally their face starts to kind of shrink on them. Well, we have technology that the majority of dentists aren't even aware of that give us measurements of the actual facial muscles of a person so that we know exactly where their jaw position should be or was 10, 20 years ago. And then we build beautiful porcelain restorations to support that. And the bonus is you're going to get that beautiful smile, but the real bonus is you're going to look about 10 to 15 years younger. So if you're looking for the possibilities, give our office a call.